Hello all, welcome back to Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about handloom design generation using generative networks. First, I will summarize our abstract. Okay. Here, our study investigates deep learning methods to generate clothing design for handloom fabrics, exploring challenges and applications of generative neural networks in textile design by leveraging the advanced generative models and style transfer technique. Here, we access their effectiveness through user feedback. We also introduce a new dataset, Neural Loom, specifically designed for handloom pattern generation, providing valuable insights at the intersection of AI and fashion. Along with that, I'll summarize our introduction. Okay, here our traditional handloom textile face decline, limitedly mainly to tourist attraction due to lack of design innovation. This paper explores ways to realize the industry by combining handloom aesthetics with modern style through AI generated design. We address the challenges of merging diverse design elements and develop methods to generate entirely new or adopted handloom inspired designs. Our problem statement describes that our traditional handloom textile industry struggles with declining relevance, largely due to limited design innovation influenced by cultural bias and the complexity of integrating diverse design style. This study aims to address this challenge by developing deep learning technique for generating novel clothing designs that blend traditional handloom elements with contemporary aesthetics by employing generative neural networks. This research seeks to overcome the difficulties in quantifying and merging design influences, thereby contributing to revitalization and modernization of handloom textiles. Here, our objective, the main goal is of this project is to create and evaluate deep learning methods for generative innovative handloom textile design that integrates traditional and modern aesthetics. Okay, specific objective include like design generation is nothing but to produce a unique handloom patterns and texture using GAN and style transfer algorithm and data set development to the diverse data set of handloom design which supports model training and technical evaluation is nothing but to access various deep learning models methods such as texture transfer and design fusion through user feedback and comparative analysis. Application development to build a web application that demonstrates the technique, providing designers and researchers with access to AI generative handloom design. Okay, now I'll explain you our methodology briefly. Here, to generate innovative handloom textile design, the process is structured as a problem of a texture transfer and combined texture content generation. This methodology includes creating patches from the neural loop dataset where each path captures specific design patterns, typically in the revolution of 256 into 256, that is height and width. And this uniformly sizing helps the model focus on local relevant design details. Data augmentation technique were applied to expand the dataset artificially, ensuring the model had sufficient variant to learn from. Additionally, the Goku dataset was modified to standardize the revolution, focusing on design rather than real-world objects. Okay, key stages in pipeline includes the design generative for prior distribution and texture transfer from trained prior, and then design fusion by domain transfer by using cycle GAN and disco GAN were utilized, showing improved performance overall Windlag GAN. Key experiments include Coco to handloom and Sarah to handloom. And our last but not least, our hand-drawn mask to design. In this, we are using Disco GAN. This approach allows the designers to control their artifact shape, like designing by training the neural loop dataset. So a model can paint handloom mask with specific styles, and it can offer flexibility and control over design elements. Okay, here is our flow chart. First, we will do our dataset preparation, and then after this, our dataset will be given to a model training. That is nothing but GAN model, style transfer, domain model. After this, Our design generation will take place here. Here, our texture transformation and hand-drawn design it will be implemented. After this step, the evaluation will be doing. Yeah. Now I will show you our code. So here's our code. We'll open this. So what will train you. Yeah, here's a model training. This a training module. Here we have implemented our GAN. Now I'll show you our main code. That is our testing code. That's our testing code. Yeah. Now I'll run this. Yeah. Our output I have saved outside. I'll show you it. Yeah, you can see this. It is generator output. Yeah. Now, what you have seen this left image is nothing but the original hand texture or pattern images that serve input design for translation and reconstruction task. This translate is nothing but the middle column, the translated images. The design has undergone the transformation potentially through domain transfer like cycle GAN or disco GAN. This purpose is to map our original design into a different texture or space or color space to generate varied style. The color transformation may reflect the application of different handloom shell and texture or region aesthetic specifically. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys are clear with this project or the code. You guys, if you guys have any doubt regarding this project, you can leave a comment in comment section and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.